Was recording. Shoot. Hey. Mellow striper. It's a lot of fun. Right in the corner of the mouth there. Using a sandworm. Didn't actually think it would work. Nice little dude. Ton of fun. Awesome. Alright, let's get this chunky little striper back in the water. Goodbye, buddy. Alright, so let me show you what I'm doing here. So I'm just rigging it just through a little bit enough, and that's just going to sway around, and they like it a lot. So I've been casting this entire thing, and I randomly just dropped it in this little thing right here, and I thought it would be a porgy, but it turned out to be a striper. There's a lot of porgies in here. Caught a ton last night, but those were all on lures. Here's one. Sweet. Oh, taking drag. There he is. Oh God. What kind of fish is that? Nice stripe. Holy, it's a decent size. Okay, alright. Oh, look at that. How cool. Wow. I feel like such a I just can't get away from the freshwater. Like you saw me, I'm like flipping docks and stuff, and I'm catching stripers. That doesn't make sense. I'm just so used to bass and pike and stuff like that back at home. I'm taking that strategy in saltwater and catching stripes. I don't know if you can see that or not. That's so sick. Put up a nice fight, took some drag. It's awesome. Flipping docks in saltwater to catch saltwater stripers. I haven't saltwater fished. I don't think there's been a saltwater video on my channel since like December. Look at that fish. Awesome. Oh, look at that. Flipping docks, boys. Flipping docks. God, they fight. Love it. Oh. Oh. God, in the current. Oh, it's a huge porgy. It's a freaking porgy. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. That's called a scup. Alright, that guy swallowed the hook. It's okay, I'm sure he'll survive. It's a really strong fish. That is a nice silvery fish. Fought super hard. Not really what I want though. Want a bluefish. But cool. Strong fish, look at that. Sweet. Saltwater. Flipping docks. Another one. I don't know what that is, it's small. 6-pound test though, it's a lot of fun. Oh man, another porgy. Alright. I think that's what we're going to be catching. There, just to make sure that you can see that fish, because I don't know how the lighting is. Cool looking thing, eh? There's one. Another one, man. Look at all the bait fish jumping. Oh, porgies jump like bass, I guess. This porgy thought I was a largemouth bass. I don't know if you saw that, but he jumped straight out of the water. Nice little one, but we don't want you. Sorry, dude, but we don't want you. I mean, you can catch porgies, like, all the time. They're pretty much like the sunfish of Connecticut. His cheeks are green because of the reflection.
Oh, it's like when he's in light. Did I get another one?
Oh yeah, you got one, Amelia. Yes, you do. Look at your rod.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Oh my God.
It's quite obvious. Oh, watch the ink. Watch the ink.
All right, you're good. He's not inking. He's not inking.
Let him ink.
He's not inking.
He is.
Okay, I'm gonna pull him up before he gets.
You got him by the very, very tentacle. Look at that. You got him by. Look,
This is my third.
look how you got him.
That is so cool.
Heck no.
All right, bye, Bailey. I love you.
Bailey? Who's Bailey?
Be free, Billy.
She's crushing you guys. You guys don't even know what's up.
There you go.
Oh,
Yeah, that's
oh,
one.
he crushed it. Look, I got one tentacle too. Look at that. Look, I got a tentacle. See?
What?
You see one? You see one?
Got it.
Oh!
Big one. Let it into the water.
Oh, there's another one. Look at the size of that one.
Look at that one.
Oh my god, that was huge.
Big one.
That was like a 2-pound squid. What the hell?
I doubt it was 2 pounds.
I'm joking.
Darn it, I
Oh,
Big squid.
that's a nice one.
Oh my gosh, that is.
That's freaking huge.
Gosh.
That's calamari. Right. Let me see.
Nah, let's throw it back.
Wait, I just want to see it.
Yeah, and I want to hold it afterwards.
Throw it back.
Can I hold it up?
Oh, you can hold the next one. Nice one. Both flip it, both flip it, both flip it. Oh. You have to set the hook.
Wait, why does it keep letting go?
Because you have to set the hook.
What?
You have to jerk up when you feel the
I
bite.
did.
What is that thing?
Oh my god. Oh, it's a pipefish. It's a pipefish. No, it's a fish. Oh, I got him. That's a
Jake, grab fish out of the water.
That's a pipefish.
That is.
Look at it. It's a pipe.
It's a pipe.
That one's a very obvious one. You look at it, it's a pipe fish.
Oh, there's another pipefish. Well, it's the same one. Oh, there's one.
Fishing for fun. Oh, you got one?
Yeah.
Oh, you can put it in this. Give it to John. Oh,
No, it's water. It's water. It's water.
that was really fun. Is there more over there?
What?
Over on your side?
Oh, yeah, there is, because I got another one.
Okay, I'm moving to your side.
It's probably because oh, there he goes. That's okay. That's actually good. I don't know how to take them off. Alright, we'll try. Oh, there's one right there on my bait. I just jerked. Oh, we got it. Oh, that was so cool. That was so cool.
You got him.
Yeah. See him spin like that? That's a death roll. The squid death roll.
He's like a.
Look at him go.
Please go on to mine. Oh, I got it.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, that was a nice one.
Oh,
That was a good one. Oh, there's one. Look at him. I just saw him eat it. That was awesome.
Oh,
That was awesome.
oh my gosh, he's inky so much.
Yeah. Alright. That was cool.
They literally.
Watching him eat that. Bye, buddy. Look at this one right here. Look at him, see?
It's just there. Yeah.
Oh, he got it.
Yeah.
He's so small. Look how small that one is.
Put him back. Put him back.
Get him! No, let him go. No, catch him.
We be eating tonight. You don't need to do that yourself, funny. Looks pretty decent. Oh, there it is, see it? Pretty good. It's acting like a bluefish. It's not very big, I don't think. It's still good though. Yeah, you can see it out there. Yeah, for sure. Drivers do not do that. Let me get the face shot. Hold on a sec.
Yeah.
Get the face shot. The face shot.
No, it's still here.
It's pretty much right behind the boat by now. Like right out there. All that. It's pretty nice. Shut the up, right? It's not even fighting. It's just on the surface. See, it's a bluefish. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, that took nice one. Nice and Look at that one. That's probably nearly 10 pounds. Yo, Adrian, look at that. That's a gator blue right there. That's a.
Watch out.
Look how long it is. Look how long it is. Wait, those things will bite your finger off. I didn't get the mouth shot. Look at that thing. There's one. Yeah.
There you go.
It feels big because of the weight.
Yeah, it's just a big old sea bass.
Oh my god, look at that sea bass. Jesus. Here, I got her.
He's got a big old sea bass too. He's got a big one.
Just keeps? No, I don't. Oh! Look, did you see the striper that just followed that in?
Oh yeah?
Oh my god, it was huge. Yeah, like a 20-pound striper just followed it in.
20-pound.
20-pound striper just followed my bait in. Look that sucker up, eh? Those are my Oh, it's a fluke. That's a short though. What's that right there? That's a short fluke, I think. That's not 18, is it? Oh, that might be a short, but it could be an over.
Hopefully it is.
Oh. So I'm on Block Island in Rhode Island. I've kind of had enough of saltwater fishing, so I'm going to do some pond hopping, just walking down the street, finding some new ponds. This is the 4th pond I found, and on my first cast, I caught a bass. Oh, there's a ton of little fish in here. First cast. I knew this would work. Oh, and it's the biggest one yet, too. Oh, whopper plopper. Again. Oh, that was quick. Another one. They don't really fight too hard. Three fish for 3 casts. Look at that. Guys, I quit. can't deal with these freaking bass anymore. Oh my god. So many little bass.